Welcome to our comparison of two popular walking pads, the Bifanuo walking pad and the Home Fitness Code walking pad treadmill. Based on online reviews and feature comparisons, we're diving into what makes each of these products stand out. Let's see which one is the better fit for your walking and running needs.
Portability and storage are crucial for those living in tight spaces. The Bifanuo is praised for its compactness, making it easy to hide away when not in use. It's described as slightly visible but manageable with wheels for easy movement. On the other hand, the Home Fitness Code takes portability to the next level. Its featherweight design at 39.2 pounds and compactness allow for effortless storage, even in the smallest of spaces. Both have wheels, but Home Fitness Code's ultra-light design might just roll away with the crown in this category. When it comes to motor and noise, the Bifanuo boasts a 2.25 HP motor that's quieter than expected, making it suitable for use at any time without disturbing peace. The Home Fitness Code with its 2.5 HP motor is celebrated for its library-level noise, ensuring that your exercise doesn't interrupt your or anyone else's tranquility. Both treadmills offer quiet operations, but Home Fitness Code's slightly more powerful yet quiet motor might give it an edge for those seeking silence. Speed and capacity are where the rubber meets the road. The Bifanuo allows for a leisurely pace of 0.6 to 4 miles per hour, ideal for multitasking or a gentle walk. It's noted for its suitability for older individuals and those looking for a low-profile treadmill. Meanwhile, the Home Fitness Code ramps up the excitement with speeds up to 5 miles per hour and a capacity for users up to 300 pounds, making it a versatile option for a wider range of activities, from walking to light jogging. With its higher speed and capacity, Home Fitness Code might just outpace its competitor for those needing a bit more from their walking pad. Reviewers have shared their experiences highlighting the strengths of each product. The Bifanuo is lauded for its ease of use, compact design, and satisfactory performance, even though some noted it could be quieter and have better tracking features. The Home Fitness Code receives praise for its quiet operation, lightweight design, and suitable speed options, though some mention it may be too short for taller individuals and has a narrow walking surface. Both products offer value for their price, but specific preferences will guide the best choice.
That wraps up our comparison between the Bifanuo walking pad and the Home Fitness Code walking pad treadmill.
Which one walks the walk for you?
If you found this comparison helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment about your preferred product and why.
Check out the product links in the description for more details. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next comparison.